Hello guys, you're welcome once more again to MEPH. If you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to this channel and share this channel to some family member, friend, or even students, okay? That needs to improve your skill on maths. Alright, so today we are going to look at this simple problem on indices. So let's see what we are going to do. The question says evaluate 81 raised to the power of what? 3 over 4, which is the fractional power, minus we have 27 raised to the power of 1 over 3, another fractional power. All divided by 3 times what? 2 raised to the power of what? 3. Now the first thing I can recall, 27 means what? 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, when you are solving in indices, you want to put everything in what power form. Okay, if you see large numbers. Alright, so 81 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Times 3 we have is 81. But we'll write it 3 raised to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3. Okay. So all I need to do next is, in place of this, I want to substitute this. And in place of this, I want to what? Substitute this. So let's do that and see. So I'm going to be writing 3 raised to the power of 4 here. So I have 3 raised to the power of 4 in bracket, and I have 3 quarter. Okay, minus what? Okay, for 27 we have 3 raised to the power of what? 3. So I have 3 raised to the power of 3 in bracket, okay, times what? 1/3. Alright. So all these is going to divide what? We have 3, okay, times 2 raised to the power of 3. Okay, 2 raised to the power of 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 we have is what? 8. Alright? So we have this expression. So now that we have this expression, what should we do next? Now I can recognize that we have, a power of indices we can apply here. Okay, which we have say a raised to the power of n in bracket n. Okay, this is called the double power of law. So we are simply going to say a and multiply what? The powers. All right. So we are going to apply this law here and here. So this is going to give me 3 raised to the power of 4 times what? 3 over what? 4. All right. So minus what? 3 raised to the power of what? 3 times what? 1/3. This is divided by what? We have 3 times 8, which is what? We have that as what? 20 what? 4. Okay. So now that we have this expression, is there anything we can do? 4 can cancel itself here. We have 1. 3 can cancel itself here. So we have 1, 1. All right. So let's simplify further to see what that gives us. So all this becomes 3 raised to the power of 1. So 1 times 3, we have 3 raised to the power of 3 minus what? We have 3 raised to the power of 1 times 1. So we're going to write 3 raised to the power of what? 1. So divided by, we still have 24, remember? Okay. So what is 3 raised to the power of 3? Yeah, 3 raised to the power of 3 here simply means what? 3 times 3 times 3. And 3 raised to the power of 1 simply means what? 3. So all this is going to divide 24. So 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is, we are going to get is 27 minus what? We have 3 divided by what? 24. Now 27 minus 3 is going to give us what? 24 divided by 24. Since the numerator and denominator are the same, we can cancel them out. So we have 1 over 1, which is the 1. So the value of all this is equals to 1. So that gives us the simple solution. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to give the like button and share this video. Remember, sharing is worth caring. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.